So we just going to continue to sit down and watching minority lead the majority astray. Come to think of it, the system always get what they want from the people. But what is it the people ever stand for and get it? Like, I don't see no resistance from the people. Like, you know, anything what the government say, yo, that them want, then the people them just do it without realizing, say, them have the power. And things are going to only get worse if we continue this way, not standing for something. Is what I say? Yeah, man. And for value on yourself, man. Value on yourself. No word more than what them want to think on the word. Is what I say? Seeing the people working with everything where the system put on them on the show, say, we are still slaves, basically.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
One again, unstoppable family. So the president of the UIC was earlier today arrested after he and his supporters gathered in downtown Kingston for the march on Garden House. Now, from information received by persons on the ground, I was told that in every turn, the group was blocked and was prevented from making it to Garden House, and in turn they decided to stay at one stationary location, and even then that was an issue for the police. Mr. Patterson was given a warning by the police to disperse, as he did not have a permit for the march, in which Mr. Patterson told them one is not needed for persons to walk the street. However, eventually Mr. Patterson was detained along with a few other persons and was taken to Central Police Station. The group then made their way to Central and proceeded to chant "Free Mr. Patterson." However, the vice president of the UIC and Mr. Patterson's wife contacted their lawyers and has been on the case to get Mr. Patterson and the persons detained released. Now, this right here is a clip of the persons at the Central Police Station. Take a look.
Me and Zinga King, the police officer was telling me something I get gunshot. All the hope him come back in talk. And all the hope him come back in talk. Come have him badge number. So all the hope him come back in talk. Him better make sure that him get the gunshot. Mr. God, you're working a miraculous way. Pepper spray the map for nothing. I'm standing there, I'm not saying nothing. The policeman will tell me, so I feel like I straight to go. So I'm going to get gunshot.
And this is Nzinga King, guys. They're going live now,
And the police officer can rap with me. I got prison for one and uno. So you come look at your gun in your hand, and the police officer here run with me again. Me I got prison for one and uno. So look up here, yeah. Mr. Patterson, I check me, I have a free for charge. Freedom of speech.
You will support service and you will love service.
Human rights.
You can ask officers to know something about Mr. Patterson, but don't take out your frustration on the officer. No moment. No moment. No moment. The officers are not against us. Officer, brother, please. No, them right. We have to set them up them right. The pastors buy up them right. We can't go like it's all about we. You understand? Respect the officers.
Human rights is protected by law.
No one is above the law. We should not be forced to take a vow just because they work. We are the one that hold up their constitution. If we all resign, who will work for them? Their system will totally crash automatically. We must stand up for our rights. Everyone has the right for an effective remedy. Human rights is protected by law. No one is above the law.
Nuremberg law, that is what is coming to Jamaica. The Nuremberg law, that is what we are undergoing. The Nuremberg law, the Nazi Germany law, that is what's coming to Jamaica. The Nazi Germany law, the Nuremberg law, take away our rights, our freedom of speech. And listen, we are not saying no to vaccine, we are saying no to mandatory. That's all we are saying. Do not. No. Yeah. No to mandatory. Not matter, not no to mandatory. No to dictatorship. No to dictatorship. Freedom of speech. That's what we heard. That's what we told we was gonna have. Freedom of speech, right? And freedom of movement, right? And there's not all of that now has been taken away because of what? The government bow to a system that is afraid to put his head on the block to die for his people. And that is what he's a coward. He's a coward, not he alone, but all of them are cowards. Cowards. I'm done. That's it.
For me, I want to give some instruction. So I want to know that you are hearing what I am saying. Yes. So I want you to listen clearly. My name is P0LICE McGregor.
Quiet everybody.
I want quiet
Everybody.
so that you cannot say I did not inform you.
Why do you have high-powered weapons? Why do you have high-powered weapons? Why do you have high-powered weapons for a peaceful protest? Why?
Chief, it's a peaceful protest. Why?
Listen to me now. We have told, I am going to say, if you choose not to listen, it is going to be your own detriment what comes after. I said to Mr. Patterson before Ward Theatre that the gathering that he had there was unlawful. It was unlawful in various realms. He had no permission from the police to gather in the way that he did. He got no permission to march. Hold on. Hear me out.
You have permission to have a peaceful demonstration.
I told him he identified himself as the leader before me. He said that to me. And I am here to testimony to you. Some of you were there and saw. I pointed out the breach to him. He has now been arrested to be prosecuted for those breaches. He has also went on to say that he intends to march on Parliament, which he has no right to do, which is a scheduled place. We are going to investigate that intention. So that also is one of the reasons why he was arrested.
Chief, question. We have to have some permission from the police process. We have to ask for permission to process. We have to do that. We're not a people. Chief, we have to have permission to protest.
I am asking you all to move away. You are too close to the station. We're asking you to move 200 yards. Hold on. Listen to me.
Where's the law?
After I have spoken, those of you who want to move, you do so. Or else we are going to move you. We are telling you now to disperse from the vicinity of the station. You are too close and you are posing a threat to our station. I am done. You are organized in a militant mode. We don't want you.
No, Mr. McGregor. Can I say
I said to me 200 meters away from this area. 200 meters, miss, turn back. Miss, turn back.
Now, after the police had given them warning to leave Central Police Station, the group proceeded to meet up at National Heroes Circle, where they continued the protest, and this is what happened while they were there.
Listen, it is time for us to stand up for our rights. They have infringed on our rights. We have a constitutional right to peacefully demonstrate. It's in the Constitution. We're not going to work with a little fool law them. The government of Jamaica has been biased. Mr. Floyd Green and his friend them a bus champagne, which is a grave insult to the Jamaican people and a no movement there. And all he could do is tender his resignation. So he chose what his fate was going to be. And them already are contemplating for putting him on committee. He's going to get another job. When they lock up Floyd Green and his friend them, then we will listen to and believe so we're serious.
That's right.
We're not serious.
That's right.
We're not play with we. People hungry, you build parliament. You journalists, $3 billion. People hungry. I build parliament. No indecent language, please. Family are listening. Yes, a family station. Listen to me. We love the Jamaicans. We have a right to demonstrate. It is our body. We don't want to. And that should be a right. Now we realize that it is not just a. You can't. Let me come here. Put him back. I see news here for no. See news there. Show him the letter.
Can't get him work. See there. Stupidness Babylon are going with. We need to wise up now, man. Full time.
Listen, what I don't understand
full time
is this.
now. Full time.
And what's your name, sir?
Clyde Brown.
And where you work?
Where you work?
ADL.
See place the ADL.
And this is a memorandum stating that
there is no work without the. This is what this is the proof
as of
of
September
it.
20.
Okay, and I got this Monday.
We need unity, strength.
Half a day, 1 second, he was placed in bondage based on the rights that these people sacrificed themselves for you and I to be here. I brought you here not because I wanted to come here. It's because SS told me to come here. Who was to say that the park would be open on a day like this? Who was to say that we were going to walk that far to come here? So instead of going to where they stand to adjudicate their destructive points against us, we end up marching to the people who would have sacrificed themselves. The same period of time that is happening now for the freedom of the future generation. We are here because this is symbolic. We were brought here. Most people's probably never been in here. How many persons are told to come to the graveside of our heroes? We are never told that. We tell you to go to movies and we tell you to go everywhere else. No, I am saying to you, this is what I was told. I was told that Mr. Patterson, the lawyer, will arrive at 12:30 today. Mrs. Patterson is doing everything that she can. I just called her and basically she was on the phone. This was the instructions that I was given. Yes, we are fighting. The fighting just started, brother. Nobody feel like I'm some one-day wonder, this brother.
No one day.
A few weeks ago, we weren't this strong. It was a couple of us at Hero Circle. Look at the masses. He decided that he's going to show the world that you can stand up for your rights. And the right that he had to the constitution of this land and even the international constitution, they still violated it. He's in lockup because he wants you to see that everything he's saying is true.
Exactly. Yes.
Yes, we're going to walk. Yes, we're going to march. Yes, we're going to protest. We're doing it now. Hold on, the day isn't done. But we are going to walk back. And he said when you reach, if you want to, you can. If you want to disperse, he said you should. No. Listen to what I'm saying to you. The police is not the one that's making us disperse.
Exactly.
We, the free human beings that are here is dispersing. We are doing it on our own.
We made our point.
We made our point. We made our decision. Yes. We're walking back to where we park our vehicle peacefully, and we're going to disperse. And not them stop we.
Yes.
We saw the harm and effect that was happening to the people who were standing up for him. Yes. And he's very proud of that. But I know he wouldn't want harm's way to feel you as yet. Yes. We don't reach that point there.
Yes.
So what I'm saying to you right now, we have made a point.
Yes.
I'm going to say this to you. I said it to some people this morning, and listen to this. There's a spear. And you know the shaft of the spear, the wooden part, and the metal part. We all know the spear, right? Yeah. So listen to this. We are the tip of the spear. We're not here to fight the police officers. I'm telling you. Because I know police officers that are in there that don't want to go through the same thing we're going through. You understand me? I said they are not the enemy. We are here. We are just the tip of the spear. And thank you very much for what is happening. Now our voices are being heard throughout this island. And this march is to the world. And this march, peaceful protest.
Yes.
With every single facet of Jamaicans.
Yes.
Rasta.
Yeah.
Maroons,
yeah.
Ballad,
yes.
Muslim,
yes.
Jews,
yes.
Gentiles.
Yes.
Yo, we are all here because we are one thing, and that's what Mr. Patterson has been preaching. We are Jamaicans, one blood.
Yes,
they as use their system to separate us and divide us.
Yes, sir.
No more.
No more.
No more. I am not here in a political movement. I'm not here against the police. I'm here against me and my brothers unable to take the choice to say, hey, I don't want the vaccine. Oh, you can't come to work, you can't go to school.
Shame,
that
sir.
is the whole thing.
Shame, sir.
So we are gathered here today because guess what? We're about to disperse.
Yes.
It is okay.
Yes.
When message is sent, there are times we're gonna be back. This is not going to stop. But this is just to show you that we have the strength to do what is necessary. And we have to stand up for our rights. You understand what I'm saying? No, we're not going anywhere. Like I just said. No, I am just saying to you, persons are here and they say they respect what Mr. Patterson is saying. We collectively as a unit decided that we're going to be one.
Yes.
We are still going to walk and go back down and do what we're still doing.
Yes.
When we reach that point though, because it has to pause, not end.
Yes.
And if his instruction is,
yes.
When we reach disperse,
yes.
You can.
My theme choice, we do that.
If you don't want to, it is fine. It is your choice. You understand? All right.
What we came to do, you can't be a leader or something and you lead from behind. The man said disperse after we're finished. We've made our point.
Hey, after Chief is with here. After Chief. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. After Chief is with here. You're not hearing me now. Like I said, the greatest leader is a great follower too. I was given. Listen to what I'm saying to you. Right. He's not here to speak on the behalf. Yeah. Hello. But is that about to say something now? I know.
We're Exodus.
Hello, he's not here to speak on our behalf. Please listen to the instruction now.
One voice. All right.
Please listen to the instruction.
One voice.
He is not here to speak on our behalf. I could never fathom what he can say.
True.
I am learning. Very smart individual. Very understanding. And most of the leaders who are here from all the various groups would have spoken to me. They will admit I do have certain things up here. But I do need to learn and understand that when he says something, we just follow it. Definitely. This is the reason why they are taking advantage of us, because we refuse to listen.
Exactly.
And I'm saying to you, there might be a real reason why he said, go and disperse. We did what we're supposed to do. The whole world know what is going on.
And the best is yet to come, sir.
And the best is yet to come. Let me tell you something. Don't feel like I want to walk from here, Gamobi. I have been walking for weeks upon weeks. I am saying to you now, our leader, and we have many leaders here, don't get me wrong, so them can't cut off the head. I'm just saying to you, allow him to get doing what he's doing. Let them stop worrying about we doing enough, and then we reorganize and
come again. Stronger.
There is a difference to fighting a battle versus winning a war. So sometimes we have to ease off on the battle and form strategy to win the war. So this is not ignorance or arrogance. This is not fear. This is just being intelligent.
Yes, sir. You sound like you're really out of war.
This allows us now to prepare. You know how sad I am when I call one bus to come here to come get in the water? Now we know what to do. Listen to this. They made an action. There's a thing, and if they had allowed us to just make a little talk, because I guarantee you, nobody was going to disturb ours. Me not going to burn down my house. I'm not going to burn down. The Jamaican people are supposed to be able to speak to our representatives. They're not our leaders. They are our representatives. And we were forced not to. We end up congregate somewhere, and then he was now taken. You know, if them allow to do a march that done and gone away. But listen what happened now. Because of the aggression, because of the aggression and saying that they're following the mandate that was given to them. I went and I spoke, if you saw, I was speaking to the senior person. And he said to me that he broke the laws, fine. That's in their books. It's our law, it's our time now to get him out and make sure him get representation, which he has. He now helped us to voice what we have been voicing. And let me tell you this, what you guys don't know. Years upon years, we can't get on no form of media house. We have never been on it. We went to a media house and they tried to ridicule and do all kind of things. The sacrifice of you guys coming out here standing with us, the whole world knows. Now let's capitalize on the small victory that we have. Our brothers and sisters in this country are still being hurt, being led astray. Let their eyes and ears open up now. Like I said, if you understand what I'm saying, myself, don't agree with the vaccine. But I can say that. We have brothers in here who think it's miracles. What we're saying, the persons who don't want to, why is it the man who takes it is glorified? Why the man who don't want it, you have to punish him? No school, no this, no that, wait. That's what we're talking about. It's as simple as that. So we have made our point. Let's do what we need to do. We need to give him some support now and let's go home. Alright? We're going back to our vehicles and then we're done. We're going home.
Hold on. Alright, my brothers and sisters. You want me to before even make a chat on the journey? Because my ancestors are with me. I mean, I know about how much I have the ancestors in it. So you see right now, this is where the ancestors say we have to form 3 circles. And we are going to the universe sound in a hum. You see me for 10 seconds before we chat out, So we have to make some circle and hold each other and to send off the vibration to the conscious mind, Everything is in the power. I thought more on the drumming in the middle, So form a circle more on the drumming in the center. You see me, everybody form a circle and all out the sound to the universe, So we're not going to say, get the circle ready and the drumming in the center. Yeah, where the drum, where the drum, you jump.
People, I represent the spirit of Nani. I represent the spirit of all our heroes. And I am here to deliver a message. And the message is to remember where you're coming from. Divided, we fall. People, we are Jamaicans and we represent the great warriors. We are our strength. This is not the time for weakness.
This is what's happening live. They are sending a message.
From the Rasta to the police, to the Christian, to the PNP, to the GLP. People remember, united we stand, divided we fall.
So this is what's happening. They're forming a circle to do a hum, to pay homage to the ancestors.
My body, my choice. My body, my choice. I'm the prime in Jamaica. United. Whether you're vaccinated or unvaccinated. One Jamaica. Whether you're vaccinated or unvaccinated. Unity of fire. Unity of fire. One love, one us, one destiny. Jamaica on the look. Irie FM. Say Irie the Irie. A country of artists. A country of artists. Have a next day. More unity, more strength. One Jamaica. One Jamaica. One Jamaica. No might in back. Put on up. Hold your hand. Hold your hand. No want you.
Soon come again. Soon come again. Soon come again. Hold him, man. Hold him.
See water.
Thank you.
Father, listen to my people, Father. We are depending on you, Father. Father God, give us the strength of Taki, Father. Father God, give us the strength of Nani, Father. Father, remember we create Bob Marley. We create Sam Sharp. Is recreate the best music in the world. The world listen to us and love our roots. They're trying to steal us, oh Father, make the youth them wear pants under them butt. Father, they're trying to steal our roots and our culture. We don't want it. The Prime Minister make a deal with the devil, oh Father, and he use our life, oh Father, for the deal. Father, we are going to let him pay the devil and not us, oh Father. Depending on you.
Mama tell them from last year, Corona the year. I'm not picking again.
Yes, dear. Listen, hello. You are moving too fast. Take time and look at the people them who are supporting all of these things, because we will be remembered for generations and generations to come. Because we are changing under time.
Yes.
Yeah. Big up RFM, the only original news.
No, but we do it every week. Yes. If you do it every week,
Hold on the hand together and a time to sing. Hold the hand together. Hold the hand together. After three, we did a hum sound. Hum. 1, 2, 3. Hum. Again. Hum. Like you're humming, everybody. Again. Hum. 9 times we had it. 4 to go. Again. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number Number 9. Hold your hand. Mighty greatest to Mother Earth and Mother Nature. The philosophy of all ancestors striving in the bloodline of all gods and goddesses, from the Kemet to the land of Canaan, to the Nile, to Ethiopia, to Kush, and burn all slavery. I lift up the universal sun, mighty Ra, oh gods of all gods, we are the sons of the mighty God. Ra! Go ahead, go ahead. Hold on. You want to say something? You can talk. Go ahead. Alright, people. We just want to sing a little light. Freedom. I'll be buried in my grave and go home to my Lord and be free. Again. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over me. And before I'll be buried in my grave and go home to my Lord and be free. Oh, one clap. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over me. And before I be a slave, I'll be buried in my grave and go home to my Lord and be free. And be free. Oh, freedom. Let's go. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over me. And before I be a slave, I'll be buried.
The police are here.
Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over me. And before I be a slave, I'll be buried in my grave and go home to my Lord and be free. I said, oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, and before I be a slave, I've been buried in my grave. Oh, Lord. Oh, freedom. Come on, let's sing and take it away. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom.
Join the protest. Rise up, man. Join the protest.
People move to them, they have no escape. You have no escape.
Yeah, man, I understand. It's up here.
So another police coming here.
They can't fight against you. That's like 1 million to 10,000. They can't go fight against you.
Well, Unstoppable family, we are at the end of it right now, but this is not the end of this movement, as we will continue to bring you more information and more updates as to the happenings as it happens. All right, talk to me down in the comment section. Let us know what you think about this situation. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.